Bosch Connected Repair is the proven software solution for connecting diagnostic devices in the workshop and managing data across devices. Until now, a local server and a separate network architecture had to be set up and operated for this purpose. With the further development of Bosch Connected Repair Cloud, the service is now even more convenient and makes local servers superfluous. The workshop equipment and EasyTronic diagnostic software communicate directly with the Bosch Cloud, where all customer data is stored securely and can be accessed anytime, anywhere. Responsible handling of personal data in compliance with legal requirements is a top priority for Bosch. This is how server simply becomes service. Bosch Connected Repair Cloud is included as a license in the EasyTronic Advanced and Master packages. Otherwise, everything remains the same, so that workshops can focus exclusively on their day-to-day work.